Where
Okay.
I'll just post the link. Annette, are you
Okay.
there?
Yeah. I just saw. I see Elmo.
Well, her microphone was muted and then it wasn't, but I haven't heard anything from her.
Oh,
Oh,
come
Uh,
okay.
oh,
Right
wait.
back. So just ladies, for the review on Thursday, we're just supposed to do whatever he has for the review for exam two, right? That's what we're going over, and then we're taking the quiz together.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be the same like the last test where we do like a pre-test together, and then it'll have the same questions on the quiz.
Okay.
I'm assuming anyway.
So how's you guys' morning been?
Good.
Oh, getting a good view of me. Trying to get it better. I'm in my boys' room, and you know what's funny is did it purposely to get away from the baby so I wouldn't hear her.
Yeah.
My next door neighbor right here on this
Uh-huh.
side of the wall is having their roof redone. I'm like, are you kidding me?
Yeah.
I'm like, come on.
Oh, that's funny.
I can't get away from the noise. She's not back yet. What are we
I
gonna
know that's
do?
really. I'm gonna text her real quick. Make sure she's still alive.
Hi guys.
Oh, there you
Hi. Yes.
Yay.
Are we all having problems or what?
are.
No, just me.
Well, I had to change from Chrome to the little Fox guy. So yeah. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay. So is everyone okay with part one on lesson 14?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so let's move on. Can everyone hear me, by the way? I just never know.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. So I don't know if you guys really want me to read through this big chunk of paragraph. Do you want me to read it?
Nah.
Not
Good.
really. I mean, I can kind of scale. So it's William Butler Yeats. It's the little, they go through the little quotes here. And it says, one study designed to investigate this issue examined the age of death for writers from different cultures and genders. Three categories of writers examined were the novelists, poets, and the nonfiction writers. The ages of the death for female writers and these characters from North America are given in the data sheet that they put up here, the woman data, poet, I guess. We would like to determine if the mean of age of death is different from any of the other categories of writers. Use the point again. Question here. So it's the mean age at death.
Mm-hmm.
It's different from the other three categories of the three
Yeah.
categories. Right.
Yep.
One got that?
Yep.
Okay. So the null and the alternative hypotheses are just different from all our other ones because we have to actually write it out.
Yeah.
I don't even know how to
No more
say it.
shortcuts.
So
Because all means are.
the null is all the means are equal. Is
Yep.
that what you guys got?
Mm-hmm.
And then the alternative is one or more of the means differs.
Yes.
Yeah.
I had headphones in because otherwise I'm not going to be able to hear. Okay. Okay, and the collect the data. Let's see. Describe the data collection procedures. I got that we don't even know how it was collected. We weren't even given that information.
No, it didn't
Right.
say.
Yeah, and I just put that they looked at the ages of death.
Oh, yeah.
in those
Okay, yeah,
categories,
so
but
they
it-
looked
but it
at
didn't
the
tell
ages
you.
of the death. Okay. For the female riders in North America, so that's their demographic, I guess. Okay. So describe the data on number 3. In a short paragraph, use summary statistics to describe the data. After the paragraph, insert an appropriate and well-labeled graph to illustrate the data. Did everyone understand how to do that?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
No? Who's
That's
who
me,
said
Krista.
that? Oh, okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I know.
So let's go into the file.
I'm
Let's
sorry.
get out the file. I don't even have it up.
So for the paragraph, while you're pulling the file up, for the paragraph, I just write like essentially the facts. So you have the N, the S, and the mu. And so I just put like there were 67 novelists, 32 poets, and 24 nonfiction authors. Death ages recorded. Then the mean age of the novelist was 71.45. So it's a really boring paragraph, but it just gives them the information that are in those 3 categories.
Mhm.
Mm.
And then how do I do? So do I do the graph? Is that just a little table that you put everything in?
You can do like the histogram,
Okay.
or like I used the box plot because it did all 3 of them in one chart instead of doing 3
Okay.
separate histograms.
So where do I go for? I'm sorry. So I go to compare means, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or wait, I have to transform, right?
Yeah, transform first.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Okay, so the age, is that the age we're doing? Or is
Hold
that
on.
the new? I'm sorry.
I'm still
All right,
pulling
I'm
mine
still
up.
getting on it.
If I recode it,
Okay.
Okay, so this is the one Annabelle was asking about this yesterday. This one's already recoded.
oh, it is? Okay.
Because if you look at the type, it doesn't say poet or novelist or anything. It's already in groups of 1, 2, and 3, so it's already recoded for you.
So then I go into analyze, compare means, one-way ANOVA, put the age over there, correct?
Is your dependent, yeah.
And then type is the factor.
Mhm.
And then go into
Put
options,
options. Mhm.
descriptive, and mean plot,
Yep.
and continue, and okay.
Yep.
So,
So they just cut off this box for us, but that's what it is.
okay, got
The
it.
answer. All right, I'm getting a lot of feedback. Are you guys getting feedback?
Yeah.
I'm a little bit too.
Darn it.
So this just says this. This just says the plot chart, and I'm sure that will work as well. If you want to do the box plot, I think you have to go into the Explore.
Well, you can.
Yeah, isn't that where you have to go into plots and
Yes.
and then it shows you?
Do the normality plots and the histogram.
Uh-huh. Okay, I'm having issues too.
That would be all of their QQ plots.
I just did
and everything.
box. I just did box plots under graphs.
That works too.
I don't think it doesn't really matter.
Yep, that works too.
I think as long as you get it,
I did that for one of them.
Okay,
Right.
figured it out.
Okay, so everyone has the information and the box plot done?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so what type of hypothesis test is appropriate? Well, we already know. It's the ANOVA test because we're dealing with more than 2. I
Right.
think that's going to be pretty obvious compared to other ones.
Yep.
Okay, are the requirements met for this test? What did you guys get?
I said yes.
I did too. Even though you don't know
It's
how
assumed,
it was gotten. It wasn't SRS, they were
right.
normally distributed, and it wasn't greater. The largest wasn't greater than 2 times the smallest. So yeah, I put that we met the requirements.
Okay. And I guess one other way that we can make sure that it's normal, the normality testing is the QQ plot, which we still have to do. So,
And don't we have to check if the largest variance is not more than 4 times the smallest?
Yeah, I just put that I was assumed for that B. I just put the variances were equal, assumed. That was assumed.
Okay.
Upward.
Oops, I did it wrong. Okay, when we're doing the QQ plots, I was just there. Descriptive statistics. And explore. Okay, that's maybe where I went wrong. Okay. Let me see if I can get it here. Okay. So you guys got 3 separate QQ plots. Did you guys do the QQ plots?
Yes.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Did you guys listen to the video of how to do this homework? And
Yeah.
he kept saying 2 times instead of 4 times?
Yeah.
He said if you look at the variance,
Uh-huh.
then it's 4 times. If you look at the standard deviation, it's 2 times.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, I need to write that down.
Yeah, and Brother Kumar and Brother Balls did it differently. Like Brother Balls was multiplying or dividing it by 2, and then Brother Kumar, yeah, he was doing a different way. But as long as you get the same, or sort of the same.
Yeah.
Oh darn it.
So someone explain that thing to me, because I think I'm getting. Oh, okay. So you just get the highest variance, right?
You want the lowest one. You want the lowest variance, and you want to multiply it by 4.
Okay.
And your biggest one can't be more than that.
More than the highest one, right?
It can be equal to it, but it can't be more than it.
Or take the standard deviation and take the lowest times 2.
Right.
And if it's higher than the highest, then you're...
Okay. Are we good with that one? Can we move to C?
Uh-huh.
So everyone got the F statistic, right? Shoot, where did it go?
Yeah.
Hold on. I gotta make sure I have it here.
In the first one that we did, not the Q2 plots.
Okay, 6.563.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Okay, and then state the degrees of freedom.
2 and 120.
Which is 2 and 120, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then compute the p-value, which the p-value is 0.002, which is less than 0.5, the level of significance, which means we reject. If it's less, we reject.
Right.
The null hypothesis. And then it says present your conclusions in the form of an English statement. So this is where we say we have sufficient evidence, right? If we reject.
Yep.
We have sufficient evidence to just say that the mean, I guess at least one of the mean ages of the writers is different from the rest of the mean death ages, right?
Yep.
And the wording is killing me on that. I know we don't really have to do that on the tests or anything, but it's just messing me up.
I know.
How it works. So.
Okay.
I think we just have to.
The trick for me on this one is to remember that we don't know
We have
which
to
one
get
is less,
it.
because we can see, like on our charts and stuff, we see which one is higher, has a higher mean or lower mean, but we don't know that, I guess, for some reason we don't know that. And so that's the tricky thing for me, is not specifying, oh, look, this one's lower, you know.
Yeah, that is, because you want to, it's like math is normally clear cut. You go, yes, it's right, no, it's wrong, and there's an answer. But here it's just, no, there's no evidence. So, yeah, it is a little bit weird.
Okay. The last thing is with the take action. With further study, we find the poets die earlier than the novelists and the nonfiction writers. What significance can you conclude from this?
Don't become a poet.
Yeah.
All I thought, because I read the answer in the
I did
answer
too.
sheet, but I was like, okay, how can you just assume that? Because if we don't know, like, you don't know what the cause was, you know, you can't just assume all poets are depressed and commit suicide. Like, you can't just assume that, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a little funny.
Yeah.
But basically, we can say that they're more likely to die earlier
Right.
than other writers.
And
So
that's
I guess
about
that's
it.
the main
Yeah.
focus.
Yeah.
That's about it. I think the other stuff is just fluff.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. Are we ready to do the quiz?
Yeah.
I think so.
I got to get out of here. Hold on a second. No. No. Yes. No.
Okay. Looks like. Okay, and it looks like we're going to do the soccer shoe data like we did yesterday.
Oh, okay. I already have that up. That's nice.
Where did you see that?
It's on question 8.
Oh, you've skimmed further ahead than me. Okay.
Soccer shoe data.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Hold on, ladies.
Yeah, I'm going slow.
You're good. I just got that.
Let's go back and finish right up until 8. Okay, so obviously the first two. I'm getting a lot of feedback, guys, so hopefully you can hear me. In an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject. You're listening to myself.
It's pretty bad today.
Does anyone else want to read? It's kind of crazy.
Like, you had one of those little plastic microphones that used to like echo everything. I wonder if we mute our microphones while you're talking.
We're crazy with this. Hold on. Okay, we reject the null when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others. So
yeah,
that's true.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, which requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test?
All positive.
Hey, Annette.
Uh-huh.
Mute your microphone. I think that's the problem.
Oh, fabulous. Okay. I just won't talk, girl. Let me get there. Okay. Shari is stuck on my... Okay.
Okay, Annabelle, try to talk now.
Hello.
Oh yeah,
sounds
what?
Good. Whose was that? Where was that coming from?
Annette. That's weird.
Annette, bad girl. Just kidding. Okay. So that's much better. Woo. Okay.
So what requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test? Well, the sample means need to be all positive, right? I know that one.
But the requirements for okay.
Yeah, that wasn't one of the requirements.
No.
So.
Oh, it wasn't?
The data is normally distributed, and then the largest variance is not more than 4 times the smallest variance. It's just the F distribution is where it's all positive. It has nothing.
Oh,
Not the ANOVA.
I see.
F distribution.
You're right.
B
So
and
it's the data in each group are normally distributed?
it's B and C. So it's the data and the variances.
Okay. Okay, number 5, to check if each group is normally distributed, do the following. Is it the QQ plot? Is that what you guys got?
How's Annette doing? You good? You agree with that one? Okay.
Okay, we assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. The sample variance for each group is smaller than the sample mean. Largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. Less than 2 times the smallest has the same sample size. Is it the third one?
That's the second one.
Oh, I said, oh, never mind, sorry, sample mean. The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. Okay, that's right. Sorry, I thought the third one said variance.
No, it said mean. I know. I was like, what? And then it said mean. So I was like, oh.
Okay, so an ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent 2-sample t-tests. Every pair of samples, between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples?
5 would be 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, and 2, 4. Oh, and 3, 4. Would be 6.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm like totally confused. I mean, I see the pair thing. Let me see.
You just have to pair each of them up. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, then 2, 3, 2, 4, and then 3, 4. Is that what you got, Shari and Annette?
Okay, is there 16? No, because we'd only pair them up once, right?
Yeah, I have 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4.
3.
We're doing pairs, huh?
I have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, then 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4. You just pair each number up with it.
2,
Another
3.
new number. Oh my goodness, it's so windy outside. It's crazy.
Hold on. Sorry.
It's going to be like 12.
How is it 12?
Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Oh, because you don't pair them up backwards, do you? So 2, 1 wouldn't be a different thing. So 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. Because we already have 2, 1.
4, 2, 4.
And 3,
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
Well, how am I getting this? I did something wrong. 1, 2, 2.
Yeah, 6. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4.
Okay, make
Right.
sure can I read these to you guys so I know I've got it? It's 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4?
Yep.
Okay. Phew. That was like a little confusing.
That was a
So how
really
many pairs?
question. So
There's
6?
6. Okay. So now we go to the soccer shoe data sheet. 6 groups, A, B, C, D, E, socks. These data can be found in the wiki, blah, blah, blah.
Okay, so you need to do that.
Observe the p-value is 0.0809. Wow. Okay, and then we have to remove the... I'm totally confused. Okay.
Okay, so we just go into the ANOVA, right? And then it all comes up.
The compare means one way.
Oh, okay, so then they don't want us to put the SOX data in there? How in the world do you do that? Why do they throw these new things in?
I know, this is...
Like, how do you figure out
okay, let's get out
out
of here.
and
Totally confused.
point
Okay,
zero
so
eight
it's
09. How come I don't get that? Oh, because it rounded it. Okay, got it. So how? Okay.
so sorry. Can we back up on this because I'm a little confused.
Yeah, me too.
You guys went to analyze and explore. Is that the first
I went
thing you
into
guys did?
analyze and compare means and did the one-way ANOVA, and then it came up with all your.
We don't have to do the analyze
recoding
explorer
already.
first?
I don't. They wanted to know. Let's see what the p-value was. So that's how you find the p-value for more than one.
I can't hear Shari. What are you saying?
Oh, sorry. Sorry, you're on mute.
I just didn't want Annette to feel alone in her muteness, and so I've been mute, and so I've been over here talking, and nobody can hear me. Okay, so that's really funny, and it was even beeping at me, but I just assumed it was like an email coming in or something. That's funny.
So Shari, are we supposed to do analyze and explore first, or do we just do compare means?
Okay, so since it's already giving us like the p-value, I just went to the compare. So, but you have to recode. You have to recode first on this one. It's not already coded.
Oh, I thought it was coded.
Oh.
It's not numerical though. I thought you said it had to be numerical.
Oh, because I just have AB.
If it worked for you, then it doesn't. So, but anyway, if it wants us to remove the SOC data, all I did was just delete that data and redo the test.
Did you do that in the very beginning?
I just did it
Before
just now. So I did the first one to get what they had, and then I just went and deleted the information and redid it again.
Okay, so you just went in and deleted
the SOC. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so where did you just go into the data stuff and deleted it, or did you go somewhere else?
Yeah, I just cut it off the.
Just 101 through 120 or whatever. Okay.
Sorry, you're gonna have to tell me how to do that in just a minute. I'm doing something else.
Sure.
Okay, so that makes, and then you go back in and do the compare means.
Yeah.
One-way ANOVA again. Okay, so then it comes up as 0.309.
0.0.
Yeah, that's what I got.
809.
I thought there was some trick to it besides just deleting the value.
Well, I
have a question.
The other charts to see if it would like let us uncheck one of the.
No, that's what I was thinking.
So I have a question. I just did it to see if I could observe the same value they had in the beginning. And my p-value said 0.081. Is that what you said?
It's just
rounded it.
Okay, and then tell me how you do the next part where you...
Okay, so go back to your data.
Right.
And just scroll down till you see the SOCs.
Like 101.
Oh, hold on. Okay.
And then I just highlighted all of the SOCs and the data that went with them and deleted it.
Oh. Okay, and then you just redo the
ANOVA. Mm-hmm.
ANOVA, okay.
That mean plot goes way down.
Yeah.
Okay, and then hold on a second. So P-value on this one is 0.309.
Yes.
Is that what
Hallelujah.
you're getting in that? Okay, I'm guessing that's a yes.
Speaking it.
Okay, so number 9. The p-value always goes up when only one group is removed, compared to the p-value when all the 6 samples are included.
Okay, let's.
So what was the original?
It was 0.0. Where's it at? 0.081. So it did go up. But does it always go up?
Yes.
Why do they
That's an
put these
interesting
things
question.
in here?
Well, what is up with these questions
Okay,
today?
so
I'm a little confused.
our p-value is our. Think back. What is it telling us?
And if it says to compare it when the 6 samples are included, then yes, it does go up. I mean, if that's what it wants us to use.
Let's just try another. Let me try something out here. We'll test it a little bit.
Oh, and then number 10 says, what's the highest p-value you see when removing one group? We need to complete an ANOVA for each possible option. Then we have to take each one of the others off.
Okay, that's what I was just gonna do anyway. So that's
Yeah. That's the next one. Then I have to go back. So then how do we put the...
So I just pasted my info back in there. Did you delete it or did you cut it?
I delete... Nope, it's still there. Yay.
Okay.
I didn't do it. Nope, it's gone. I don't have it. That's
Okay.
great. I'll just open it
Just
again.
just reopen it up again.
Yeah, I can just open it. I did. Next time I'll just not delete it.
I just cut it so I can repaste it back in.
No, I don't know. I was thinking I needed it again.
Yeah. Okay, so kicking, when I removed E, the E group, mine went down to 0.05, so I would say no, it doesn't always go up.
Okay.
So you think that would be false then?
Well, just between socks and E, if I remove socks, it went up to 3.309, but if I remove E,
E,
it goes to
it went
0.05. So I would say that it doesn't always go up.
Oh. Okay.
And then they want the highest p-value.
You know what? Let me just test that again because I wonder if my socks.
6 samples are used with a minimum.
I'm going to take out A. Okay.
What did you get when you took out A?
That's what I'm working on, sorry.
Explorer.
Okay, I got 0.060.
Okay, so that's different.
Down.
Mhm.
Okay. Then I'm going to put it all back in. And then go down and take B out. Where's B go? I lost my B.
When I took out D, I got 0.031.
I don't like the person who did these quizzes. Just saying.
Yeah.
Oh, we haven't even learned that. I mean,
Ooh,
we're hoping to come up with this on our own.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I'm working on a different question.
448 is C. What did you get on A? Do you remember?
0.06. D.
Can I ask you guys this really dumb question? Is the dependent list, is that the footwork?
That would be the kicking accuracy.
Kicking. Okay. I had kicking, but I was like double checking.
Okay, so mine are going down.
I got 0.448 on C.
That's what I'm doing right now.
So all of mine went down except for the socks.
Okay.
So I feel confident in saying that's false.
Yeah. I think you would have to do that one first before you could answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have 0.448 for C.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Minimum smallest variance used. Minimum largest.
ABC.
27. 3, 5, 8. 4, 8, 4. I'm working on the next two, guys. I'm just.
Okay.
208.
Okay, D. 0.031.
Yep.
Okay.
Annette, do you have headphones you can use? I feel bad that you're silent. Oh.
Okay, so.
Okay, I'm just doing the E1. Okay, I got 0.050.
Yes.
And then for the socks, we got 3.309.
Yeah,
I'm going to do that one just again. The socks really make that difference.
Yeah.
I'm just going to do socks again. Yeah, 0.309.
Oh.
What is the highest p-value you see when removing only one group? So do we consider that the socks data?
No, look at your answers again. There's one that's higher.
Higher? Oh yeah, hello.
It's okay because I did the same thing.
I'm like, okay, 0.448 then is number 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you doing okay? Yeah, for 10.
Okay, she's thumbs up.
Okay, the next two, when all the 6 samples are used,
Yes.
I already looked at this. You guys can double check too, but the minimum was C. If you go all the different ones, the minimum was the C and the maximum was the D, is what I found. So
yeah, that's what I got.
The numbers were 27.208.
Sorry, just a second. I gotta do that.
Okay. Shari, did you get 27.208 for the 11? Yeah. And then for 12, I got 53.158.
Yes.
Okay.
So, okay, it's coming up. So, where is it? Okay, what are they asking? I already forgot.
what the minimum variance is and what the maximum variance is.
Okay, I have 27.358, 29.45484, 27.208,
Uh,
3.158, 31, 40. Okay, they want the highest?
they want the minimum and the maximum.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
All right, so the highest is 53.158,
Yeah, that's number
Yeah.
12.
and then the lowest is 27.358.
No.
No, there's a lower one. Okay. I'm not looking at it. Oh, yeah, 27.208.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Okay. All right.
So number
There's
13 would have to be true, right? Because that's a requirement.
test for equal variance.
Well, it's met because
27.
53 is not bigger than 4 times 27.
It would have to be 27 times 4.
Okay, this is where I see what you're saying. So it's false?
No, it's true because
Oh,
your minimum is 27, and so to fit the requirement, it would have your maximum would have to be equal to or less than 4 times 27.208, and it clearly is. So 4 times 27 would be roughly, 120-ish. And so your maximum can be up to that big for it to meet the requirement.
oh, so okay. I think I'm thinking of it opposite way, and I don't know why. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it'd be
Okay.
anything less
and
than
then-
108 would fit the requirement.
Now,
Okay.
the number 14, I don't know. I can't get a QQ plot for each of the 6 samples.
Is like
Yeah.
the opposite of that.
Okay, you can do that by when you go into the descriptive statistics.
Okay, so analyze descriptive statistics.
Yeah. And go into explore.
I'll go to explore.
And then do plots.
Plot.
And you're going to check the normality plots with tests.
Oh, that's where I was going off.
Yep.
I kept doing it, and it just came out with one QQ plot.
Oh yeah. So what did you say, Annabelle? Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Never mind. I think I was just thinking of the variance thing as backwards, like the opposite. But so if the lowest variance 4 times that is above the highest variance, if I'm saying this correctly,
Yeah.
that means we assume that they're equal, right?
Yes.
Okay, I got to get that in my head. Okay, so construct number 14. Is everyone there?
Yep.
What about you, Annette?
Yep.
Okay, so construct a QQ plot for each 6 samples. Is it normally based? I said true.
I did too.
Okay, the test statistics for an ANOVA hypothesis test is an F statistic. Is the p-value to the area to the right or left of the F? I said the right.
To the right.
So it's always right. Always
Yep.
right. Okay, can we go over? I'll quickly review, make sure we got them all. So
Give us a thumbs up, Annette.
Okay. Okay, Annette, you got a thumbs up or like this if something's wrong. Okay, true, true, true on number 3. Number 4 is B and C. Number 5 is construct a QQ plot for each group. Number 6 is the second one, the largest variance is less than 4 times. Number 7 is 6. Number 8 is 0.309. Number 9 is false. Number 10 is 0.448. Number 11 is
Annette, wait, hold on for Annette.
Oh, where's
Back up to number 8.
number 8?
Okay, 8's good. What about 9? Good. 10? All right.
Are we good?
Yep, carry on. Go ahead, Annabelle.
Oh, okay. So 11 is 27.208. 12 is 53.158. 13 is true. 14 is true. 15 is right.
Yep.
Everyone got that?
Yep.
Okay, submitting.
All right, here we go.
Yay! 100.
Good job, ladies.
Yay! Okay, that was a pretty stressful test.
I hate it when they throw those little curveballs in there.
Yeah, they don't bother telling us any of it before we go in there.
Check to make sure we actually get it, huh?
I'm confused what previous, because they said that, I mean, I know he'll probably go over this Wednesday night, but I'm confused as to what's going to be on this test that we've already covered before.
Right.
Like, I want to know what I need to put on my sheet.
Probably a variation. They said 30 to 40%, didn't you? So probably Z scores and T scores and.
And you guys saw those sheets that we can fill out and use, right? In addition to our page of notes.
No, I have to open them up, but I did.
I was wondering if if he doesn't do it over the meeting, if you guys if we have time.
Yeah.
Thursday, try to work through that together.
The statistical flow charts, is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
I'm looking at it now. I'm kind of going, what?
Yeah, I'm just bringing up the email. I didn't open it.
Yes. Yeah, I would love to do that together. We have a chance.
Yeah. That'd be good.
So do we still want to meet 10 o'clock on Thursday? Do we want to try to
do
meet
9
just a
again
little
like we did
earlier?
last time?
Yeah, I can do probably 9.
So 8 Mountain
Yeah, 8
Right.
your time, sorry.
Standard Time. Are we on Mountain Standard or Daylight? I don't know.
Whatever.
Whatever we are. We just changed.
Okay, the 5th. Let's see.
Okay, so 8 a.m. over here.
Yeah, I could meet early that day.
Okay, I'll send out another. I just don't know. Do we have to record that meeting?
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know. I think so.
I think so.
Okay. So I'll send it out to
I'm gonna-
Megan too. I'm not quite sure how this is